How to get local channels on Hulu Live. In this video, I'll show you a quick tip for you to be able to open up local channels on your Hulu Live subscription. Now, the very first thing that you want to do is double check your current subscription on your Hulu account if you really are in on the Hulu Plus Live TV so that you can access local channels. Next thing that you want to do is to verify and confirm the address location where you're using or where the account is coming from. Now, it's going to be case-to-case basis. If you're using Hulu account using your tablet or your mobile device, those specific things are all going to be the same thing. And take note that you can only change 4 times in a year. So all I have to do is go into privacy and security and tick the box that says site can ask for your location. After that, you can go ahead and check out the channels added into your list, which gonna be depending on your location. And that's it. That's how you get local channels on Hulu Live.